Money Shorts 5, we discussed different ways to save. This is all in an attempt to try and beat inflation and therefore keep or grow your money's buying power over time. Today, we are going to look at the first way to save. That is to save in a piggy bank. And we're going to talk about the positive and negative, the good and the bad things about saving in this manner. The good thing about saving in a piggy bank is that you have control. You can put the money in and take the money out in any which way you want with no additional costs. It will also be protected against money market movements and other market movements or political events that could affect the value of your money or the rate at which your money grows. The bad thing about saving in a piggy bank is that you have control, which means you can take the money out whenever you see something you want to buy. Or your piggy bank can be stolen and then you lose everything that you've put in it. The last thing about the bad thing to save in a piggy bank is that you can't beat inflation this way. Because if you put 5 rands worth of money in there, that 5 rand will remain 5 rand. And whatever you can buy for 5 rand today won't be what you can buy for 5 rand in the future. And therefore, it is important that your money grows in its value. And by saving in a piggy bank, it won't grow. It will only be whatever you put in there. Thank you for watching. See you next time in Money Shorts.